Okay, so a couple things here. First of all, if they give you a consistent large number when we're talking about getting work done, like 800 nails, I want to just pretend that 800 nails is one job. Because in every situation, we're talking about producing 800 nails, 800 nails. So let's just call it one job and see how long it takes to do one job. Now, I know that together A and B can get it done in X hours. So one job in X hours, where I'm representing the rates of A and B as one job per A hours and one job per B hours. And we're looking to solve for B because we want to see how long it'll take machine B working on its own. And we're going to represent it in terms of X and Y. Two ways to do this. One is algebra, the other is number picking. Let's start with number picking and then we'll do algebra. So when machines work together, they get shit done faster, which means that X is going to be equal to something less than A or B. So X could be something like 2, and I can make A equal to something like 10. And then we could solve for what B would be equal to in this situation by taking the formula of 1 over 10 plus 1 over B equals 1 over 2. And if I subtract 1 over 10 from both sides, I get 1/2 minus 1/10. And common base here is 10, so I get 5/10 minus 1/10, which equals 4/10, which means B is equal to 1 over B is equal to 4/10, which means B is equal to 10 over 4. You just flip that over at the end. 1 over B equals 4/10 means B equals 10 over 4. Now, which of these formulas in the answer choices give me 10 over 4 as an answer for B when I plug in X is equal to 2 and A is equal to 10? Well, if you look at the first one, we have A would equal 2 over 12, which is 1/6. That's definitely not right. B would equal 10 over 12. That's definitely not right. C would equal 20 over 12. This simplifies to 10 over 6. That's not right. D would equal 20 over 10 minus 2, which is 8. That does simplify to 10 over 4, so that's probably the answer. And then E would be 20 over, 20 over, and sorry, this A is Y. So I got this reversed here. This is -8, so this is -1/4, so that is not the answer. So E is 20 over 10 minus 2, which is +8, which is 10 over 4. And so E would be our answer here. So just make sure that you keep everything straight. I forgot to put the Y is equal to A here, which confused me a little bit down here. So anyways, we get to E as our answer because it gave us 10 over 4. And what these answer choices represent is how long it takes machine B to accomplish a job in terms of X and Y. So we plug in our values for X and our values for Y and see which one gives us the B that we expected after we solved it out using the hard numbers. Now we could also do this through algebra. And if I take this original formula and I replace 1 over A with 1 over Y, I get 1 over Y plus 1 over B equals 1 over X. Subtract 1 over Y from both sides, 1 over X minus 1 over Y. Now common base is going to be XY. So I'm going to get Y over XY, multiply this by Y over Y, minus X over XY equals 1 over B. Combine the common base here gives you Y minus X over X times Y. And then flip them over to solve for B. And that would give you B equals XY over Y minus X. And that is answer choice E as well. So either way that you solve it is fine, but I like to use number picking because I think it's something easy to do on the test when you're under time pressure and stress and you forget how to do normal math like algebra. But in this situation, I don't think the algebra is terrible either. So pick your poison, and if you get stuck on one, try to switch to the other.